So these drones can capture image of the fields to show the different signatures of the crops.
Use daily is the face recognition that I use for unlocking my phone.
And then it will give you more suggestions or say like this is where you can buy it or like where you can buy similar products.
Okay, guys, this time for our roundtable discussion, we're going to be talking about the specific area of computer vision. What sort of applications it has, what sort of benefits it has to us in general, or looking as a business or other capacities. What areas or applications of computer vision do you think show the most promise?
So for me, one of the most promising applications is in the area of medical diagnosis. Computer vision can be used to identify cancer tumors from scan images with the same or even greater accuracy than doctors do it, and in a shorter period of time. Another really interesting application, I think, is in agriculture. So in this industry, they are using smart cameras or drones to measure and monitor the conditions of the crops. So these drones can capture image of the fields to show the different signatures of the crops, and this technology can help to identify pest infestations, nutrients deficiencies, crop maturity, among others. So pretty much this technology can help farmers to make informed decisions and improve their operations.
Computer vision is one of the most powerful and promising types of AI. It has applications in manufacturing and retail, for example, for their advertisements, payment and identification, or detecting defective products, safety in the manufacturing environment, for example, if everyone is wearing helmet or not, or for retail, virtual dressing or virtual makeup can help with online shopping. Automatic checkouts in retail is one of other applications.
I think that computer vision shows a lot of promise, especially with recognizing people's actions and recognizing objects. So I think that can be used a lot for recognizing if there's a missing person walking around, or maybe someone that was kidnapped, or even just recognizing a person that's carrying a gun that's about to commit a crime and things like that.
Goodbye, Crow.
What area or application of computer vision do you think will most impact your life in the future?
If there's an application with computer vision that can recognize mistakes in my code, that would be very useful. But when I was researching, I was just looking for some applications that could, for example, read text, recognize text from images. And I think that would impact everyone a lot, since usually when there's tech that tries to do good for society, there's also people that take advantage of that and use it for malicious purposes. So I think that there could be a potential risk of using computer vision if, for example, a phone that has the capability to recognize someone's credit card number as they're about to pay in a store, then it would have an impact on everyone, and obviously nobody wants that.
I think the area of remote monitoring has a great potential to promote safety in the workplace. So, for example, AI-based video recognition systems can help to monitor the sites, the fields, and can help to detect anomalies in real time. And in this way, like we can minimize the risk associated in operations or in environments that has high risks associated, like in the field.
Another cool applications that I've seen, the idea of the future smart homes. A refrigerator detects the all the things you have in the fridge, and based on that, so it can detect the ingredients that you have and suggest recipes, and you can make foods.
So another application of this was with the smart glasses or sort of wearable devices. You offer the opportunity to put a camera on yourself that's taking pictures of yourself around you that could then feed back or give yourself other information, dangers or food. If you open the fridge, it takes a quick picture of your fridge, itemize your fridge and everything like that. All sorts of really cool applications for personal assistance and stuff like that. As soon as we get that camera and a wearable device, things are even just going to take off more as far as personal assistance goes.
You might wonder how blind people deal with everyday challenges. Well, normally the answer is simple. We're not that different from you. We play music. We go to school. We go to work. You get the picture. But sometimes the simplest things can be difficult, and we need a pair of eyes.
Connect to
first available helper.
That's where you come in.
establishing video connection.
Through your smartphone, Be My Eyes connects the blind with sighted people through a live video connection. Simply choose if you need help or want to help by the click of a button.
That's a nice picture of you and your family, Caroline. Is it for a present? Yes, it's a photo from my parents.
You can help just by installing the Be My Eyes app,
Correct image.
and we'll notify you when someone needs your help. And if you're in the middle of something, don't worry. Someone else will step in.
That dog is way too old.
So, would you care to be my eyes?
Do you guys use any computer vision applications currently? And I mean stuff like filters or any sort of application that you can think of using that's a current wave of AI based.
When I traveled to Japan, I used a translator app that you can scan the handwritings, and it uses optical character recognitions, which is a computer vision method to detect the words, and then it translates to English. So I was able to translate whatever I see around me.
But another application that I actually find very handy is the visual search tool. So basically, every time I see an article that I don't know where to get it, I just take a picture with the app. Well, I take a picture and then upload it to the app, and then it gives me the best matches and the source of that picture. And so I think it's pretty handy when you want to find an article that you are interested in.
If you're walking by a store and they have like a QR code, and you can just go in there and it'll take you to like their menu, for example. Or if there's an item in a store, you just pull out your camera, point your camera to it, and then it'll recognize that item. And then it will give you more suggestions or say like, this is where you can buy it, or like where you can buy similar products.
What do you think are going to be the next big applications in the next year?
I think the monitoring systems has like great potential because it can help to prevent issues in real time, and also send alerts in real time when things are happening.
Computer vision in workout equipment is gonna be a big thing soon. Everyone's doing their workouts at their home usually, and these equipments that can train you and also follow your motions and tell you if you're doing something wrong. Basically, be personal trainers for people who want to do workout.